On the WIX editor, you want to find the specific repeater that you want to adjust. So here on the repeater, if you want to add a new image or item, so for example, I have these 3 images on my repeater. If I want to make it 4 or 5, I can just click right here on manage items on the repeater. And then on any items, you can just do a right click on it and then click on duplicate. And click again on duplicate to make it on 5 people. And there you go. And then to change the image, you can just click on the specific container and then click on change background and then click on image. And then you can choose an image for your new background. And after that, just click on change background at the bottom right of your screen. And then if you want to reorder the image or items on your repeater, so you can again click on the repeater and then you want to click on manage items. And then at manage items, you can just click and hold on the items and then move it all around. And there you go. If you still have any question about WIX, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to add and reorder image or items on WIX Repeater. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.